This is an NBC News special report. Here's Lester Holt.
Good day, everyone, from New York. We're coming on the air because NBC News has learned that Neil Armstrong, the first man to set foot on the moon, has died. Armstrong underwent heart bypass surgery earlier this month after failing a stress test days after celebrating his 82nd birthday. Armstrong shot to international fame in 1969 during the Apollo 11 mission. As the commander of that mission, he was the first person to walk on the moon, famously declaring it one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind. He leaves behind his wife, Carol, and 3 children. NBC's Brian Williams joins me now on the phone. Brian, we were mentioning this man is a giant to a generation of Americans.
Well, the guys of our age, and especially Lester, we've lost the last American hero, this unassuming, introverted engineer by trade and temperament of effortless courage. 2 quick points to remember, as so much will be said and written about him over the next few days. There was never a Neil Armstrong action figure or a chain of restaurants. He came home and almost ran from his newfound title, First Man on the Moon. And as we remember that mission, he had to at some point press a button to fire those rockets from the surface of the moon. There was no guarantee any of it would work. Boundless, effortless courage, a genuine American hero.
Brian Williams. And again, Neil Armstrong, a former naval aviator, test pilot, who'd flown 200 different aircraft in his career, 2 space flights, but most memorable, of course, Apollo 11's mission to put man on the moon for the first time. We'll have much more on Armstrong's passing and a look back at his incredible life and accomplishments tonight on NBC Nightly News. For now, I'm Lester Holt, NBC News, New York.